Hello entry students, today we're going to be doing RC circuits calculations guys. Okay guys, guys know that in series current is equal throughout, so that means the focus will be more on the voltage. Okay guys, so for RC calculations, here we have a question which says the capacitance is 32 UF is connected in series with a resistor of 50 ohms. The total voltage is 110 and has the frequency of 50 hertz. Okay, first thing we write down the given. Note that always write down the given. So what is given? We have 32 UF, which is the capacitor of 32 UF, and we have the resistor of 50 ohms, and we also have the voltage of 110 and the frequency of 50 hertz. Okay guys, know that this U stands for 32 times 10 to negative 6. Know that this U stands for negative 6, 10 to the power of negative 6, and it's measured in F. It stands for farads. So number one, calculate the capacitance, and there is a formula. This is the formula and it will be given on your exam. You just have to know how to apply it. So we have 2 times pi times F, which is 50, and the capacitance, which was 32, times 10 to the power of negative 6, times 10 to the power of negative 6, and then put it all in your calculator there, and I find my answer to be 99,472. Remember, it's measured in ohms since it is a reactance. Number 2, they want us to calculate the current. Okay guys, so number 2, in order to calculate the current, we already have the reactance of the inductor, and now let's substitute the correct method which we use the voltage of the reactance. Why? Because current is equal throughout, and we already have a inductor in which we can also use the method of a resistance, because we also have a resistor, but now we choose this one, and now it's 110 over 99,472, in which use your calculator, and I find my answer to be 1,010 1,106 ampere, in which the current is equal throughout. Know that the current is equal throughout because it's in series, 1,106. And the third question, they want us to calculate the impedance. We know that this formula will be on your exam. You just need to know how to apply it. And now we have the resistor of 50 squared. We calculate XL, which is 99,472 squared. Just put it on your calculators for your answer to be 11,33 ohms. Know that impedance is the total of all the resistor. So now we calculate the phase angle, guys. The phase angle, you can use tan theta or you can use cos theta, any one that you want to choose, but I'm going to use tan theta, cos theta, or I can use both, but you choose either. Theta will be R over impedance. Okay, so let's start with tan theta, which we found the capacitance to be 99, right, 42 over 50, right? Tan theta, okay, we do them both, will be resistor which is 50, right? And we just calculated the impedance, which was 111,33, right? So let's calculate. Substitute 10 over 99,42 over 50. Substitute even here. Cos theta negative 1 over 50 over 111 over 33. Guys, I forgot to add negative 1 there. Please add it. And I found my answer to be the same. The answer is 63,3 and 63,3 on both. And now we draw the phasor diagram, in which we know we are going to, the resistor is always horizontal and the capacitance reacts downwards vertically, and in which we're going to add the total voltage, which is the impedance, right? The total voltage, which is the impedance, and our angle, in which I'll just write it here. It was in which you will write it in between. Just write that 63 comma dot dot, the in between, and that is the end of the lesson.